Hello Bellas, it's your girl Shannon B here, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury for brown girl Bella. So if you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be in the Bella Brigade, and also tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. For all my seasoned Bellas, welcome back, and my baby Bellas too. So glad to have you back here with me again. So this is October favorites, and unfortunately I'm getting it up late. I'm a little backlogged. Lots of things happening in my personal life. I will try to get to that in the next video, but wanted to share with you my favorites for the month of October. So I'm gonna jump in first with skincare. And here's some of my all-time favorites that I love. You might have seen this in my September faves as well, but this is the Bliss What a Melon. This is a toner. It has witch hazel in it as well as willow bark, and it's made with hydrocolonic acid, which I love. I'm almost done with it, as you can see, but totally worth the price. I got it at Ulta, but they also have it at CVS as well. The next thing I want to share, which I love, and I've just started back using this for the fall season, is by Peter Thomas Roth. This is their serum called Potent C. Potent C has 20% of C-THD ascorbate, 3% of E antioxidant, and then 2% of ferulic acid. So it is a THD. It's 50 times more powerful than traditional vitamin C, and it also helps with the look of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, texture, and brightness. And by brightness, I don't mean changing your skin color, I just mean making your skin glow. So I love this product, and I have been using that both nightly and daily into my nighttime routine. I'll start with the Drunk Elephants first because those are a lighter base serum. This is a more thicker base serum. So after I finish with the Drunk Elephant, then I will go back and then I will use the Peter Thomas Roth. Speaking of which, in my favorites, the Littles. So if you have the Littles, you know every single one of these products are fantastic. This is the C Firma Day Serum, which has vitamin C. I use this in the daytime. I also love the Virgin Marcula oil. This is a facial oil. You can use it day or night. I also love the C Tangle. This is a multivitamin, vitamin C. I use this mostly in the morning, again with my serum, and then at night I'll use the B Hydra. This is the intensive hydration serum because your skin needs a little bit more moisture at night so you can recover nicely. This is a great hydration serum. I love the way it feels, and you only need one pump, especially if you're mixing it with the other serum that I love, which is the TLC. Oops, wouldn't be my channel if I didn't drop something, right? But I caught it. This is the TLC Framboos. This is glycolic night serum. I use this at night along with the B Hydra. So I'll use a pump of this and a pump of this at night. Really helps my skin, improves the look of elasticity. I haven't had any wrinkles, knock on wood, so far. So this is really been like my holy grail for nighttime care. And then I finish it up with the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. Again, this is really good. You apply it to your face and your neck. You can use this morning or at night, but I use it mainly at night because in the morning I like to use my Tatcha cream. So I have been really loving this Littles, and from using it, I kind of see which ones I want to get a full size of and which ones I think that I can use something else in my skincare routine besides that. So if you're trying to debate what kind of products you really want to use from Drunk Elephant, what I would suggest is that you invest in the littles, or at least getting samples of all of the different products that they have. Try it out for a week or 2 weeks. It really will take about 2 to 3 weeks before you start to see any noticeable differences, and at least a month before you really start seeing a change in your skin. But you'll start to see a little difference around the 2 to 3 week mark. But give it at least a month of steady use for you to really evaluate whether or not this product is for you. I also do like the Bestie cleanser. That is in my bathroom right now, but I do want to give that product a shout out because I do use that at night and sometimes in the morning. As you know, I like to rotate my skincare. So sometimes I'll use it in the morning, sometimes I'll use it at night. But I love that cleanser. That cleanser is amazing. So those are my skincare products that I love. The next thing is not really a skincare product per se. I guess it's a hybrid, but it's the Pharmacy Green Clean. This is the Melt Away Makeup Balm. When I am through with this wonderful look I have on now, I will put this on and it really does melt away all of my makeup. And then I will follow up, as you know, with a wipe to wipe away the rest of the makeup, and then I'll go into my double cleansing routine. I'll use an oil first to break up anything that's left over from the Green Clean from Pharmacy or the makeup wipe. I'll go in, use that, and then I'll go in with my Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser or another cleanser to cleanse my face. So those are everything that I've been putting on my face and really, really loving. So now, without further delay, let's get into some makeup. So there are two of my favorite foundations that I have been rocking. I'm either using one or using the other all month long, and they are either the Fenty Beauty. This is the new Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This is in the number 390. I use this, or I will use my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, and this is in the shade 24. So either of those I've been using. I love it. It really does give me a skin-like finish, which I really appreciate and love. I don't like the real look of heavy makeup so far, and what I love about these is that it really allows my skin to kind of shine through, and I love that about those products. I also like, and this is a little controversial because I know some people really don't like it, but I love the Pat McGrath Labs. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Setting Powder, and this is in medium 3. I love this. I will take my brush, also by Pat McGrath. I will dip it in. It has a little net underneath that will catch the powder. And then I just take it and I swirl it all over my face. Just like so. And it really helps the makeup to bond and set itself, and nothing moves. Nothing at all moves on my face. And I can do this even as a last step in my makeup routine, and it will not disturb what I've put on my face. I love that. The next thing that I love is an oldie but goodie. I haven't really tried it as much as other people, but I got it in my September birthday VIB from Sephora, and I find that I really do like it. It's the Urban Decay. This is the All Nighter. This is the Special Rose Gold look, and I really love this. It really does help set my makeup. It helps lock in everything. I'm finding that I'm not as shiny 2 hours into my day as I normally would be. Again, I still love my watermelon mist. This is bae. This will never go away. But I do find that I do like the Urban Decay All Nighter. So that was a little surprise for me, but I really do like them both. And I definitely will be getting full sizes of the All Nighter because I really think it's primo. So now into makeup, and there's a couple of new palettes that I have from Pat McGrath. One is one of her holidays. This is the Nocturnal Nirvana palette. When I first got this, I fell in love with the colors, and I cannot begin to tell you how much these colors just make me so happy. This gold right here, flawless, beautiful. I did this green on Saturday, so a couple of days ago, and this really just set off my whole skin. I haven't tried the purple yet, but you know I will. But I did try the blue, the green, and the gold, and they were fantastic. So definitely, I will tell you, if you haven't checked out her palettes, these are the quads. They range in price from $65. She has 3 of them. I'm getting all 3. This is fantastic. The other thing that I got in September and I've been using all the time is her Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership 6 Midnight Sun. I know she just came out with a 7, which I will definitely get and review on this channel. But you've seen this before. You know I love it. You've seen the colors. I can't say enough about this palette. I really do enjoy it. Let's see. The next thing I want to talk about is concealer. And I have to tell you, when I got this concealer, I got it because everybody was hyped about it. Everyone kept talking about this concealer, and I was like, I need to find out what's going on with this concealer. How is this now the holy grail? And after trying it, I have to admit, I love this. This is the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer. I have it on now. It is in the color 12. I love this. It's creamy, it's long lasting, it does not move, and if you leave it on for a little while before you blend it in, it's fantastic. It goes right where you want it to go. It doesn't move around. It accepts any kind of powder flawlessly. It is fantastic. Can't say enough about it. And then the last thing that I want to share with you are my lippies. I have really been loving these little mini Pat McGrath lip balms. This one that I have on now is called Blow Up. That's this one. It is so creamy and beautiful. I love it. You know I'm getting a full size of this because this is going quickly like hotcakes. And then what I did was I layered that on top of my Flesh Fantasy, which I do have a full size in my drawer of, just in case she like discontinues it or anything. I was like, I gotta get this. This is fantastic. I have it on my lips now. I have a chestnut liner from MAC on to line my lips, and then I put Blow Up, the balm, and then on top of that I use Flesh Fantasy, and I love it. So those are my favorites for the month of October. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Once again, I will leave you with a video to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. And until I see you back here next time, deuces.